Hello everyone. If you are an action camera enthusiast like me, you are in the right place. Today I am going to review the GoPro Hero 2024 after using this camera for last 5 months. I will cover the pros and cons and help you decide whether this camera is worth to buy or not. Also, feel free to share your experience in the comment box. So, before I will go in details, I will tell you why I bought this GoPro Action camera, this mini version. Since this GoPro Action has a huge brand reputations, and that is the reason behind it, I bought it. And I expected a great performance. So, does it really a good camera or it just a hype? So, let's find out. So, if we talk about the videography, let me start the camera first. So, the videography or the photo performance. So, especially I faced two kinds of situations, one in daylight performance and the low light performance. So, I mean, especially in the daylight, this GoPro Action camera capture very sharp and the vibrant images in bright conditions, especially in the sunny lights. And videos are really fantastic. But when there's the very low light situation, especially in evening time or the clouds, unfortunately, this camera struggles both in photos and the videos. So I'm not satisfied by its performance in the daytime, especially in the low light situations. So if we talk about the stabilization, the action use, one of the best feature of this camera, it is mentioned here somewhere else. This it has the image stabilizations. I mount it on my bike, cycle, and even in the rough terrain, the footage remains smooth. Whether you're cycling, running, or doing any action-packed activity, the stabilization works really well. I also tried in the underwater performance in some small fountains, and if I check the footage comes really fantastic. Even in the running waters, the videos are very clear. So they have some issue with his camera, especially if you go to the heating effect of this camera and the battery life. So if you use this camera in the normal day, normal temperature, it lasts for 90 minutes. But when it's cold weather or in like a snowfall on the mountains, it is a bit frustrating because this battery drains faster. It has a heating effect, some heating problem. Like if you use this camera for long time, like 30 minutes, then after that you feel like it's very heat. The sensors are heat, and for that, I feel like I can heat my pizza on this action camera. It feels like a heater. So there are some concern. Recently, the GoPro has make some corrections in their software. They updated it, so little bit better than the previous version. So now my final verdict about should you buy it or not. This is the main thing. So this GoPro Action is a great action camera for dynamic adventure like sports underwater usage. It has excellent stabilizations, solid image quality in bright conditions. However, it struggles in low light, heat up during long recordings, and the battery drains faster in colder situation, like in the mountains. Especially I shoot in the Alps mountains in Austria, Switzerland, or Germany, where temperature are -5, -10, especially in the winter time. I feel this experience. So in that situation, you have to take some additional power bank to charge it and wait for some time. But if you mainly shoot in daylights and need a reliable action camera, it is definitely worth considering. But if you buy or if you often record in the low light situations and need a longer battery, then you might want to explore the other options. I know what do you mean other options. There are a lot of better action camera in the market nowadays, which are really performing really good. That's my experience with this GoPro Hero Action 2024. What you think? If you have used this camera, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review. I will also add some link of this camera footage of my cycling videos or my hiking videos of my actions camera, where you can see and check the video quality. Thank you very much.